Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve objective question that had been appeared in the university question paper in the year April 23, October 22, October 19 and April 19 under the subject International Finance. So whatever objective questions were asked in these years, okay, all those have been solved. So let us see one by one. First is April 2019. Under that, the very first question was MCQ. So here are the answers. First, reserves are held in following form except dash. The correct answer is silver. Under dash, there is interference of monetary authorities to decide exchange rate, that is fixed exchange system. Third one, SBI account with HSBC in UK is an example of dash, that is Nostro account. PBB theory dash government intervention, thus includes the project is financially viable if NPV is positive. So these were the first five MCQ. You can go through once and take a screenshot of that, and then we'll move ahead. Okay, the next one was dash is known as a secrecy jurisdiction, that's called tax haven. Dash risk is also called as accounting exposure, that is translation. Dash is a type of security listed in Luxembourg, that is GDR. An option giving the buyer of the option the right but not the obligation to buy is dash, that's called call option. And the last one, difference between the value of merchandise export and import is called BOT, that is balance of trade. Again, you can go through and take a screenshot of this. Okay. Now the next question which was there along with this was state whether the following statement are true or false. Okay. So FDI is recorded in capital account of balance sheet is balance of payment is true. Under fixed exchange rate system, value of currency is decided by market forces of demand and supply, which is false. Spread is bid minus ask is false. Hedging means protecting the business from risk is true. Standardized contract terms are used in forward contract is false. A euro bond is an international bond dominated in a currency not native to the country where it is issued is true. Sensex include 30 largest and the most actively traded stock in BSE, which is true. Entry and exit of FDI is more difficult compared to FPI is true. There is a lot of transparency in tax haven is false, and AFM stand for arbitrageurs forward margin, which is false. Again, you can go through it and take a screenshot of it. Okay, so this was under April 2019. Now let us check the next one. October 2019. The first set of questions were based on again MCQ. So here the term euro currency market refers to dash. The answer is the market where the borrowing and lending of currency takes place outside the country of issue. Next, bond issued simultaneously in several global financial centers is dash is called global bond. Next, IMF is a firm of dash 190 member countries. And fourth one, in a quote exchange rate, the currency that is to purchase with another currency is called dash. It's called the base currency. Okay, these are the first four. You can read it and take a screenshot of that. Okay, next, US dollar dominated denominated bond issued in US domestic market is known as dash. It's called a Yankee bond. IMF is headquartered in dash, that is Washington, United States. Japanese yen denominated bond issued in Japan's domestic market is called samurai bond. Again, you can read it, take a screenshot of it. Okay, next, an option at the money when dash, the strike price and the spot price are the same. meaning the question was then option is called as at the money when the strike price and spot price are the same. Okay. Next is euro is official currency of dash. The answer is all the state of European Union. And last, forward contract is an agreement to buy and sell an asset on dash the specified date. The correct answer. Okay. Again, you can read it and take a screenshot of it. Alongside this, the next question which was there was mark the column. So ADR was D, negotiated only in America. PIP is F, price interest point. PPP theory is G, that is one price theory. LORO is I, which is Diaz. IRF is B, international future rate. GDR is A, issued in European capital market. Yen is E, Japanese currency. SWIFT is C, which is money transfer system at international level. Ask rate is J, which is selling rate, and LIBOR is H, which is interbank rate offer. Okay, again, all can go through it once and then take a screenshot of this. Okay, next we have October 2022. Under October 2022, the very first question was again math the columns. So here are the answers of that. BOP is J, that is double entry bookkeeping system. Floating exchange rate is I, which is currency price setup, demand and supply. Spread is H, which is ask minus bid. Straight Eurobond is G, fixed coupon. Cross listing is F. Share listed on one or more foreign currencies or foreign exchange. FERA is E, that is replaced by FEMA. Longevity risk is D, risk of outliving your saving. Investment appraisal is C, integral part of capital budgeting. Spot market is B, which is T plus 2. Currency option is A, derivative financial instruments. Again, you can have a look at it, take a screenshot. Okay, alongside this, the next one was true or false. So terrorism obstruct the smooth flow of an economic activity is true. The global standard is not used currently by any government is true. Currency strength is also affected by countries' political and economic strength is true. During investment appraisal, higher IRR should be preferred. Yes, that's true. LIBOR stand for Luxembourg interbank offer rate is false. Money is not a fuel for the economy is false. The main center of euro currency market is India is false. Debt financing is the process of raising capital through sale of shares is false. IDR stand for international depository receipt is true. And last, high tax is levied in an tax haven, which is false. Again, you can go through it once and take a screenshot of it. Okay, last April 2023. First was MCQs. A dash is a regime where the currency price is set by the forex market based on supply and demand compared with the other country. The answer is floating exchange rate. In BOP, under dash account, export and import of goods and services and unilateral transfer are recorded as current account. Dash comprises of all those institution and individual who buy and sell foreign exchange, which may be defined as foreign money or any liquid claim on foreign money. The answer is foreign exchange market. Next, when a firm lists its equity share on one or more foreign exchange, in addition is to its domestic exchange, is called cross-listing shares. Dash is soft, liberal, and simplified law that aims at boosting foreign trade and investment more in tune with country's new economic environment of globalization of Indian economy. Price, the answer is FEMA. The risk of loss in purchasing power because of the value of investment does not keep with inflation is called as inflation risk. Okay. Next, Dash is a way of trading non-US stock on US exchange. That's the ADR. Dash is currency held on deposit outside home market is euro currency. Dash is a process of assessing in a structured way the case of proceeding with a project or proposal or the project's viability is project appraisal. And last, according to Dash technique of forex risk management, a company's dealing in international transaction must make all its payment in its domestic currency and must have the policy of accepting only domestic currency from debtors. The answer is leading and lagging. Okay, now alongside this MCQ, the last questions were true or false. The balance of payment identity is CA plus FA plus RA is false. Gold standard has proved to be a fair where the friend is true. Nostro account points out our account with you is false. Exporter sells foreign currency for domestic currency is false. In AFM, if AFM is positive, it represents premium is true. The call option is the right to sell an asset at a fixed rate of price false. In case of FPI, entry and exit are difficult is false. The net present value is equal to present value of cash inflow divided by present value of cash outflow. Okay, this is false. Okay, this is false. Okay, India is a tax haven is false. Dumping means selling goods at a higher price is again false. Okay, so these were various objective questions that had appeared in the previous 4 question paper which are available. Okay, I hope everyone will use this to their benefit. Okay, see that or go through and take a screenshot of all those and again go through before your paper. Okay, chalo. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.